If you love bass, then you are going to love these headphones. This is the new Skullcandy Crusher 1080 ANC with sound by Bose. And according to Skullcandy, these headphones are supposed to be the best sounding headphones under $300. Now, I've tested hundreds of headphones in the last few years, so forgive me for being a little bit skeptical. However, after actually getting the headphones in my hands, trying them out for a bit, and learning more about them, I gotta say, I am quite impressed for two key reasons. Firstly, the Sound by Bose partnership, and secondly, because of the redesigned Crusher drivers. So let me break it down for you. Now, we've seen other companies make Sound by Bose headphones, but the Skullcandy Crusher 1080 ANC is special for three key reasons. Reason number one, these are the first non-Bose headphones to feature Bose Quiet Control ANC. Basically, Skullcandy is using Bose's ANC system in their own headphones, and in theory, this should give you Bose level ANC without the Bose premium price tag. Do these really have Bose level ANC? Well, we won't find out until we get these back to our office in Vancouver and put them through our testing lab, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that. Reason number two, the Crusher 1080 ANC is also the first non-Bose headphone to come with Bose True Spatial, which is a head-tracked spatial audio mode that anchors music in front of you as if you're listening to a set of speakers. And reason number three, these are the first non-Bose headphones with the Bose waveform audio engine. And in layman's terms, it's essentially just a digital signal processor that helps ensure you get consistent sound quality regardless of what volume level you're listening at. Lastly, the headphones also feature Bose Speech Clarity Voice Pickup, which rounds out the package for calls, though other partner brands have offered that one before. Now, with so many Bose features packed into these headphones, the Crusher 1080 ANC is really shaping up to be a better value proposition compared to Bose's own flagship headphones like the Quiet Comfort Ultra series. But it's not all about Bose with these headphones. After all, Skullcandy is running the show here. And because these are still Skullcandy headphones, these come with the company's signature Crusher drivers, which makes it feel as if you've got a subwoofer strapped to your head. It works like this. In each ear cup, there are two drivers. There's a full range driver that handles your music, and then the second driver, aka the Crusher driver, provides a haptic sensation that allows you to actually feel the rattle in the bass. Now, if you don't want maximum bass all the time, there is a little dial on the left ear cup that you can use to adjust the intensity of the Crusher driver. You can also adjust the intensity in the app. Now, according to Skullcandy, the Crusher 1080 ANC features redesigned drivers, as well as an enclosed acoustic rear cavity. And all of these design updates combined should improve clarity, provide less distortion, and just result in overall better sound quality. Besides the Bose and bass, other notable specs include up to 50 hours of battery life with ANC on, Bluetooth 5.3 with support for LE audio and Auracast, and Skullcandy app support with access to a 5-band EQ, which, by the way, is 2 more bands of EQ than you get with Bose's other flagship headphones, which, you know, cost more than this. If you're interested in the headphones, they're coming in a bunch of fun colors like, you know, cement and candy. And there's also this fun limited edition drop too. Price-wise, this is going to retail for just under $280, which, again, considering that this has a lot of Bose features in it, is quite a good deal. And again, is also less expensive than Bose's headphones. We'll leave an affiliate link in the description below if you want to go buy it. Skullcandy is talking a big game, and they're really touting all the Sound by Bose exclusive features for these headphones. So if you want to know if these are going to really live up to all of that talk, then make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for our full lab results coming soon. But in the meantime, why don't you go check out this video, which covers Skullcandy's other product that features Sound by Bose and is also kind of a better value than Bose's own earbuds.